Lucy, you want some peanut butter?
Brandon.
Lucy, roll over.
That's too much.
Lucy, you want some peanut butter? You gotta roll over. You gotta roll over. No, you gotta. That's a good girl. Okay, let me give Dozier his. Peanut butter, good. Dozier likes peanut butter. Lucy, you like that peanut butter?
Just about to take it.
Peanut butter. Lucy, Dozier, got that tongue going. It's sticking to their mouths. Dozier, did you get some peanut butter?
No more.
Lucy, get some peanut butter. Lucy. Oh, did you get some peanut butter? Sticks to your mouth. Lucy. Speak. Speak. Speak.
Too busy.
Speak.
Eating the peanut butter.
Lucy. Dozier, you still going? Lucy, speak. There's your peanut butter. Was that good? That was some good peanut butter. She's still licking. So is Dozier. Lucy. Lucy. They're still licking over here. It's stuck to their mouths. Dozier. Lucy. Speak. Good girl. Okay, Lucy. There's no more. Dozier's tongue's still going. Lucy.